What's up, everybody? Brian Shepard here, reporting on my scooter and my severed tendon. Trying to have some fun out here in Washington. Oh boy. First thing you want to do, obviously, is heal your foot up or whatever, you know, for 6 weeks, ice it, that shit, follow the doctor's orders. But then, once you've graduated that level, then get yourself a scooter. Yeah, this is what you want, one of these little knee scooters right here. Talk to your insurance company. You can get one. I paid $100 for this one. Pretty bitchin'. Then, you want to learn how to get it up on 2 wheels. So it's been pretty fun, just hanging out here, riding this cool little scooter rental. Just chilling on the beach, Robbie Wright. What do you call this beach?
Redondo.
Redondo.
It's like Des Moines and Federway and a bunch of other cities put in one. I don't know where the hell it's at.
Redondo foot. February 10th, 2018, I was riding one of my favorite parks, Puyallup, Washington. Did a bar spin to foot jam on the quarter. Nothing went wrong, just everything normal. Stuck my foot in the tire and felt my whole foot fall apart. Fell down the ramp. I thought I broke it, but turns out after going to the doctor a couple different times, MRI, etc., that long game, like 3 weeks later, found out I needed surgery because I severed my perineal, hopefully I'm saying that right, perineal tendon. And I'm no doctor, but he showed me images and it was pretty fucked. There's like multiple tendons that go in between like your ankle and your heel, and then there's like these other weird tendons that keep them in place. They call them like sheaths. I tore those, the soft tissue to the bone, I tore that all out and I severed one of the tendons in that channel, and I guess the other one had to be repaired. They had to drill into my bone and stuff this new soft tissue in there or whatever, and like use these weird concrete staples. Something, I don't know, it's pretty gnarly, but as a result, I'm 2 months in and still in a cast, but having fun. It's pretty rad.
Knee or ankle?
Both.
Oh, fuck off.
Oh, that's good too. That's okay. I have those. That's how I got here to begin with.